Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a GIF thumbnail in Loom. In the next couple of minutes, you'll learn how to switch on an animated thumbnail so your shared Loom links display a looping preview. This simple change can make your videos stand out in email, chat, and docs by showing motion right away and encouraging more clicks. Start by heading to Loom in your browser and opening the video you plan to share. You should be on the video's watch page, where you can play it back and see the controls along the edges. Give the page a moment to fully load so all options appear. Now draw your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. You'll see a sidebar with options related to your video. Look for the section labeled Settings. It may appear as a gear icon or as a text label, depending on your layout. This is where Loom keeps controls that affect how your video appears and behaves when it's shared. Go ahead and select Settings. A panel will open with various toggles and preferences specific to the current video. Take a quick glance so you know what's there, then locate the option for Animated GIF. This setting controls whether Loom generates a short, looping GIF preview of your video. Turn on Animated GIF. When enabled, Loom will create a silent, looping snippet, usually from the opening moments of your video, that plays wherever GIF previews are supported. This is particularly useful when sharing links and tools that show a thumbnail automatically. The movement catches attention and often improves engagement compared to a static image. Keep in mind, some apps or email clients may still display a static image, but many modern tools will show the animation. To apply your change, click Save. Saving locks in the GIF thumbnail for this video. After a brief moment, your share link will use the new animated preview. If you're sharing immediately, allow a little time for the GIF to generate and for previews to update in places where caching is used. A few quick tips to get the most out of your GIF thumbnail. Since the animation typically comes from the beginning of your video, try to start with a bit of motion. Move the cursor, switch slides, or gesture, so the loop is visually engaging. Keep the first seconds clear of large overlays that might distract from the action. That's it. You went to Loom, opened Settings on the right, enabled the Animated GIF option, and saved your changes. You can return to Settings anytime to toggle this on or off for future shares.